Jump ball between the captain and number 44, Santa Ana. First possession, number 8. Pass to number 7, pass to number 12, Jerry. Pass to number 7, Canla. Pass to number 34. Pass to number 8, jump for the 2, no good. The ball goes to number 4, the captain. Pass to number 13. Number 13 on the possession. The ball handler, the crossover move. Pass to number 10, pass to number 14. Number 14 goes for drive, pass to number 4. That, the ball goes to number 44. But there's a foul in the first quarter. Here comes number 34, the ball handler of the Saints. Pass to number 8, pass to number 12. Number 12, spot. It's good. 2 series they score. Favor by the Saints. Here comes number 13. Crossover move. Pass to number 14. Number 14 goes for a shot. No good. The ball goes to number 10. Number 10. Pass to number 4. The captain is open. No good. Here comes number 34. The ball handler of the same team. Pass to number 8. Number 8. Look for the open man. Oh, bad pass. The ball goes to number 4. Pass to number 8. Bad pass again. The ball goes to number 8. Here comes number 8. Pass to number 12. Number 12. Pass to number 34. Pass to number 44. Santa Ana is open. It's good again. 4 series to score.
Hello.
6-point lead by the Saints team.
Hi.
Here comes number 13, the ball handler.
Ikaw, salta ka.
The ball handler of the top 4. Pass to number 12, Jerry goes for, pass, no good. The ball goes to number 34 again, De La Cruz, continues quickly. De La Cruz goes for the spot, no good. The ball goes to same ball. Number 44, pass to number 12. Oh, it's a block. The ball goes to number 7. Traveling violation by number 7, Ganlas. 7 and 9 seconds for the first quarter. Here comes number 13. The ball under. Oh, lifting by traveling violation. Comes number 34. The ball under. Pass to number 12. Look for the open man. Pass to number 8. Pass to number 7. Ganlas. Pass to number 34. Goes for the spot. No good. The ball goes to number 14. Number 14. Continues dribbling. Goes for the drive. No good again. The ball goes to number 8. Here comes number 8. Number 8. Pass to number 12. Jerry. Pass to number 8 again. Pass to number 34. No good. The ball goes to the captain. The captain pass to number 13. Here comes number 13. At 52. No good. The ball goes to number 8. Pass to number 12. Oh! White ball. It's a turnover. Here comes number 13. The ball handler pass to number 10. Number 10 goes for the spot. No good again. The ball goes to number 14. It's a counted. Foul by number 12, Jerry. 6 minutes and 2 seconds left. Number 12, Jerry, first personal foul. First team foul. Number 14 goes for bonus shot. It's good. 6-5 is the score. 1 point lead by the safety.
Nandan. Huwag kayong magpasagol.
Pass to number 7, Canlas, looking for number 8. Oh! Here comes number 13. Number 13. Pass to number 14. 14. Drive. Blocking foul by number 7. 5 minutes and 40 seconds left. Number 13. The ball under. Goes for the spot. No good again. The ball goes to number 7, Canlas. A powerful rebound. Pass to number 12, Jerry. It's good. 8-5 is the score. 3-point lead by the Saints. Number 13, pass to number 4. The captain, pass to number 13. Pass to number 14. Going for 3, it's good again. All ladies, they score. First red black.
Talaga, pulot na pula. Tapa ka!
Here comes number 34. Pass to number 44, Santana. Pass to number 12, Jerry. No good. Too strong. The ball goes to the captain. Go for the open man. Continues dribbling. The captain.
3 points eh.
Pass to number 10. Number 10, drive. Too strong. The ball goes to number 44, Santana. Santana. Pass to number 8. Number 8. It's good. Foul. Foul by number 3rd, team foul. 4 minutes and 42 seconds left. Here comes number 13. Oh, crossover. Pass to number 29. Number 29. Pass to number 14. Number 14.